Join me today. We're going to look at my Hosta garden and have some epic plants from Land of the Giants and online. Welcome to my Hosta garden. Today I'm going to show you some of my Hosta plants in the garden and talk about how I fertilize them. My opinion only. I use leaf mulch on every plant every spring. Plus, so this is Milorganite. That's what it looks like. It's a fertilizer. Looks like this, little pellets. I put about a cup per hosta in the springtime. You can get both leaf mulch and Milorganite at garden stores, but you have to check ahead. The leaf mulch is a rich black compost, not just leaves thrown on the hostas. And the Milorganite is actually recycled and sterilized human waste from Wisconsin. Ooh la la. Hostas also really love Miracle-Gro. So if you can't find the other things, Miracle-Gro works great. 2 or 3 times per season. Do it as the directions on the package. I think it's a scoop per gallon. And I water the hostas with regular water first, soak them really well. And then I give each hosta a good half a gallon of saturated water with Miracle-Gro. About 3 times a season, ending in late-ish summer, nothing in the fall. You want the plants to go dormant. You don't want to make them stimulated to grow again in fall. So cut out the fertilizer by, I'd say, midsummer. Your hostas will thrive in a shady area of your yard. Not solid 100% shade, but maybe a little morning sunlight, great. But otherwise, they will burn. And you'll see one of my plants is in sadness. He's got some sunburn. And that happens when sun just hits at the right angle and beats down on them. They're really a shade-loving plant. They like good watering. They don't want to be soggy because then you will get slugs. I use big pine bark chips to prevent weeds, and it also keeps the slugs away. So that's another tip for you in the garden. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And to see my trip last year to Land of the Giants Hosta Farm, click on the little pop-up box here at the end. Have a great day and happy gardening.